Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making ginger stewed chicken wing sticks and green onion. You know, we Japanese often have ginger in winter when it gets cold outside because we believe ginger will heat us up from inside. The recipe goes super easy and the taste will be super yummy. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Well, the main ingredients for ginger stewed chicken wing sticks and green onions are only 3. The first one is, of course, the chicken wing sticks. To serve one person, I believe about 300 grams is enough. The second one is about 30 grams of ginger. We're supposed to use it after we minced it. The third ingredient is 1 stalk of green onion. Plus you need a teaspoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt to season the chicken. To pan-fry the chicken, you need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 300 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to simmer. You've got only 3 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. First thing you do is to cut green onion in 1 inch long. Mince the ginger and season the chicken with salt and sugar before you heat it. Step number 2 is to pan-fry the minced ginger, chicken and cut green onion with sesame oil. And when it gets nice and brown, just heat it on till it gets nice and soft. And then you go to step number 3. Step number 3 is to add water and soy sauce and bring it to a boil. And then cover it with a lid and turn the heat down to low heat and keep heating it for about 20 minutes. There you go, the dish will be ready. Sounds pretty nice, doesn't it? So why don't we go on to step number 1? Well, why don't we go on to step number 1? Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. First thing we do is to cut the green onion in 1 inch long. Yeah, I gave it a nice rinse to it, so why don't we cut it? Except for green part for the garnish. Yeah, it will be nice. Use it for garnish. Well, why don't we go on to ginger stuff, you know, to peel the skin of it. Then you mince it. Yeah, now the ginger is nicely minced. So, why don't we go on to chicken? Here the chicken. 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's 1 teaspoon. And a half teaspoon of salt. Yeah, it will be half teaspoon. Then give it a nice mix to it. Looks nice. Yeah, I believe it's the end of step number 1. So why don't we go on to step number 2? Well, why don't we go on to step number 2? Step number 2 is to pan-fry the ingredients. First thing we do is to add in here 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in it. Then add in the ginger. Yeah. And when the ginger heat, add in the chicken as well. Right, looks nice. And add in green onions too. I flipped over chicken once or twice. Yeah, it's getting nice and brown. I believe I should keep heating it for another 1-2 minutes. You know, flip over the green onion too. It's getting nice and brown. When the onion gets soft, it sounds brown. Step number 3. Looks nice. Yeah, why don't we go to step number 3? Alright, so we are going on to step number 3. Step number 3 is to simmer the chicken. I add in 300 ml of water plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Just give it a nice mix to it. Well, turn the heat to low heat, cover it with a lid and heat it for about 20 minutes. Well, now 20 minutes has passed, so why don't we take a look at the dish. Yeah, I believe it's ready now. Yeah, it looks nice. So why don't we plate it? On a nice plate like this, plate the chicken. Yeah, it looks great. Looks so nice. Onion super soft. And a broth. Yeah, it looks nice. gonna use the green onion that we saved for garnish. Yeah, it looks nice. Well, now the ginger stewed chicken wing stick and green onion is ready now. Well, now you know to make ginger stewed chicken wing sticks and green onion are pretty easy. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Anyway, if you like this video, leave some messages down below and put thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Arigato. See you in the next video. Take good care. Bye.